Hi everyone, welcome back to A2 Food and Juicing. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be unboxing a brand new juicer, the Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer. This is Aobosi juicer model number SJ022. This particular model is known for its powerful slow juicing technology, quiet motor, which is one of the things I love about it, juicing yield. If you're into juicing leafy greens, fruit or veggies, I think this might just be one good thing that you may love in your kitchen. All right, let's get started. First of all, I'm just going to be cutting through the sealed, just so that we are able to pull out the main juicer from the carton. I bought this from Amazon, and I will be leaving the link below in case you want to get one for yourself. I will also be giving an honest, unpaid review based on my own experience using this juicer after unboxing. Alright, so here we are trying to pull out. First of all, I think it's just the cable that pop out first from the carton. I did struggle a bit just to pull out the juicer from the carton. It's quite tightly packed in there, so it took me a few minutes to be able to safely bring it out, because I didn't want to damage any part of the carton in case I notice any damage on the product and I wish to return it to the seller. So that was why I have to be very careful while doing this. After I successfully brought it out, so the first things I found were 3 booklets, and one of it is the installation manual, which shows step by step on how to install and disassemble it, and the other is the instruction manual, which you can return after everything. It helps us here to know how to maintain. The next is the juice recipe, which is the best part of it. I love it because it has so many different fruits and juicing recipe that can give you a guide on what to juice. So next was the brush, which is, it's gonna be helpful to help remove some particles from the juicer after using it to maintain your juicer. Yeah, then we open the main part of the machine, which is next is the juicer body, which is very nice and compact with a premium finishing. One thing I love, it is not too big and it's not space consuming for a portable kitchen. And here we have the 2 cups. One is for the pops and the other is for the juice. Next we have the auger, the chute and the strainer. They are all packed together, and for me these 3 are the most important part of this juicing machine, because they all work together to squeeze out the juice from the fruits. Also, I'm just trying to unwrap all these other extra wraps from the main machine here. Yeah, so this is how the machine look like with all the power button there, and the out there is a release button. It helps you when you want to disassemble the machine. Just press on the arrow and then it will easily release or disassemble the machine for you. Here is our installation manual. Like I said, the shooter, the auger and the strainer, they've already been assembled by the manufacturer. That's how it came, so it makes my work a bit easier. However, you can also remove them. I'll also show you how you can take it off once you are done juicing for cleaning. So just read the body part of this. You follow the instruction as written. The lock symbol should be able to align with the triangle symbol as well that is on the body of that juicer. once that's unlocked, once those buttons, those symbols are aligned to each other, it will be easy to fix everything into the juicer bowl and onto the base of the main body part of the machine. So step 1, insert the juicing bowl into the power base, which is what I'm trying to do, fixing that up. Yeah, it was a bit difficult. Yeah, once that is done, just confirm that it is well seated at the base so it doesn't flip out during juicing. Looking at that line, initially I thought maybe there's a crack there, but no, that's just the molding line from the manufacturer. And yeah, so I'm just looking out just to be sure that there are no cracks, so that if there are any crack or something's wrong, I can easily return it to the seller and get a new one. But it was all right. So once I confirmed that everything was okay, there was no crack or breakage on any part of the machine, so I went ahead to fix the squeezing auger. Sorry, that's not the squeezing auger, the chute and the strainer into the juicing bowl. And to be sure that is properly fixed, just have to follow the icon or the symbol. See the log icon there, it is also down at that part. So once they both align, give it a little clockwise squeeze and you hear a click sound that confirms that the both the juicing bowl and the shooter and strainer have been properly fixed together. That's just all. Then you have the cups, the 2 cups. One is for the pops, and this one is for the juices that's coming out from your fruit. That's me done with the assembly of the machine. It was a bit tasky, but it was fun going through the manual. It's not that difficult. Once you follow the step by step on the manual, you're able to install this machine. This is how it look like. I'll also make a video show you how my first juicing came out and how it looked like. Thank you for watching to this part of the video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button and then you'll be notified. Turn off your notifications so that you get notified to see how I'm gonna choose my first I'm gonna do my first juicing with this machine. It's a nice one, though I haven't used it yet to see how it's gonna be like, but for the size, I love the size. It's not space consuming, it's easy to install and disassemble it. Then the cleaning will come when I've used it first. Thank you for watching to this point. See you in my next video. Bye.